Is he starting to get cold? Whoa!
The first thing you need is just a blank sky. The sky should just have one color. In my case it's blue, but it can also be gray or white. Another thing is the effect works best when there's a clear distinction between the sky and yourself. For example, in Andreas' video, the distinction between the sky and himself were the edges of the houses. The bottom line right here is that you better choose a simple background, so where there's a clear distinction between yourself and the sky. Otherwise it might not work, because Final Cut has its limits. And now let's go to the edit. Drag your clip into the timeline. Well, and then there's another thing you need to be aware of when you're editing your video. When you have a blank blue sky as a background, you need to put the keyer onto your clip. When it's white or gray, you take the luma keyer. Why do you do that? Because the keyer eliminates blue and green backgrounds and the luma keyer white and gray backgrounds. That's why. So I'm just gonna take the keyer, put it onto my clip, and now as you can see it's already black. But I want the effect to kick in when I'm like going into my what the fuck position. What the fuck is happening here? I want to start from here. That's why I go down here to mix. Put it first to 0. Then skip like some frames until I'm in my position where I see the skies changing. And put it to 1. If the keyer didn't key it everything out, just take the sample color thing and just mark the pieces just like that, and now it's perfectly black. And now just get maybe some footage, or maybe you have some footage of a rainy sky, or just take a picture of some clouds, something like that. I'll just get a picture from Pixabay, I'll put it into the description below. So yeah, just drag it under your clip, then it appears. But now I want to apply some movement to the sky, so I just go to the crop icon, to Ken Burns, adjust the starting and ending frame, like that. Now it's moving, set the speed to, I would say, linear, and now, boom, the sky is moving. Now I want to change the weather from sunny to rainy. Therefore, make it as long as your main clip. Now mark both clips, create a new compound clip. Now we just need to adjust the color of the whole video. Therefore, go to the Effects tab, type in day to night, there it is. And the effect should start when the sky is changing. So from here, go to the video inspector, set first the amount to 0, then set a keyframe, skip like some frames until the sky appears, then set the amount to 100, just as you want. And now again go to the Effects tab, type in rain, put the rain filter on it, play a little bit with the amount, with the density. And this rain effect we also want first to appear when the sky is changing. So again, set the amount of the rain to 0, set a keyframe, skip some frames, and now set the amount as high as you want. And to make this whole thing even cooler, we need to add some sound effects to it. At the end, apply the handheld filter to your clip. And you should add some lightnings to your sky. Just double click your compound clip, select the video or picture of your sky, go to color correction, then select the position where you want to apply the effect. Go back to your color board, set a keyframe, skip 2 frames, make the exposure at approximately 95%, skip another 2 frames and make it back to normal. Just implement this effect at different positions of your clip. Good, and this is how you do the Andreas weather changing effect. I hope you understood everything. Like, subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching, bye bye.